Hello, my name is Pratham Modi and today we will be designing a design of a differentiator using OPAMP OP07. So over here if we see the schematic of the OPAMP as a differentiator, it will be something like this. And to know the values of these resistors and capacitance over here, let me assume that FA will be as 1 kHz and FB will be 10 kHz, and I have assumed my C1 as 0.1 microfarad. So as the formula says, Fa is equal to 1 upon 2 pi Rf C1. Therefore, if we see Rf will be 1 upon 2 pi C1 into Fa. So if we calculate it, then we get the value of Rf as 1.6 kilo ohms. Likewise for Fb, if we want to see, then the formula for Fb is 1 upon 2 pi R1 C1. So therefore, if we want to see to get the value of R1, we'll need to do we will calculate 1 upon 2 pi C1 into FB. So this will give us R1. So here the R1 value is 160 ohms. Now we have assumed that R1 C1 is equal to RF into CF. Therefore over here we have got CF is equals to R1 C1 into R1 C1 upon RF, which is equals to 0.01 microfarad. And over here ROM is basically equal to R1. So over here I have assumed R1 is equals to ROM. ROM is this value. Over here I have used 160 ohms and over here I have used 150 ohms, which actually doesn't really matter that much. And over in the output we will be getting our frequency response like this. So over here if you see at 10 kilohertz, which is 1 into 10, we get the maximum peak, the highest level of a differentiator curve, and then again it starts decreasing gradually. So our situation for Fa is equal to 10 times of Fb is satisfied using these values of R1, C1, RF and CF. So let us design the differentiator. So for designing differentiator, I will open LTSpice. I will go to File, New Schematic. Over here I will go in Components. I will take OP07. This will be my first op-amp. I will reduce the size so that it is visible. Then I will be using resistors. This is my resistor, and over here in input as well I will need a resistor. Sorry, that was my mistake. These are my resistors. Now we will be using capacitors. So this will be my capacitor, and I will need one more capacitor over here. So let me move this resistor a bit over here in this capacitor also. Now over here in non-inverting side again we will need a resistor. So this is my another resistor. Now we will need a voltage source to give input. So I will give voltage source to the input V1, and we will need voltages to power up our op-amp, so V2 and V3. So let me connect this. So this is my first connection. Then I will give this. We need to give wires over here and a bit of a wire to name it. So I think this is alright. Now I will give some ground. Over here also we'll need ground. So now let me give the values as we have. This is my RF, so let me change this to RF. Over here if we see, our RF was 1.6k, so I will write over here 1.6k. My C1 was 0.01 microfarad. This is actually CF. So if you see the design, CF is 0.01 microfarad. This is 160 and this is 0.1 and this is 150. So let me name them. This is my R1, which is 160. This is my R3, doesn't matter, 150. And this is my C3, which is 0.1 microfarad. So these are my values. Over here I need to give 15 volts power supply. So 15 volts plus and 15 volts minus. And over here I need to give power supplies over here to the op amp as well. So this will be my VCC and VEE. Let me name them. VCC, this is my VCC, this is my VEE. I will change that name. Sorry. Okay, so it was VEE, right? So this is my VEE. And let me change this also. This is VEE. So now over here we want to do our AC analysis, that is we need a frequency response of this. So what we will be doing over here is right click, go to advanced, go to sine wave, and over here write AC amplitude as 1, which signifies us that we will be doing AC analysis. This is over here what we can do is we can also give DC inputs. So let's take 0, amplitude as say 1, means which signifies 2 volts peak to peak, and frequency is 1 kilohertz. So this will be for sine wave. We have given AC analysis for small signal AC analysis. This will be my V in, or I will name that as well, V in, and this will be my V out. Let me change this, V out. So this is the circuit for a design of a differentiator using an op amp. So now for AC analysis what we need to give is go to simulate, edit simulation command, and we will be doing AC analysis. So we will use a linear type of a sweep. I will take a start frequency as 1, and we are designing it for differentiator. So let's say I will take is at 200k, and number of points will be 1000, that is 1k. Why I am using this? It is because my graph which I got over here, if you see the frequency response, it starts from 1k, the 0 dB starts from 1k, and I have designed for F is equal to 10 times of FB. So I need a peak at 10 kilohertz, and then again we want to check that where does the 0 dB lies again after gradually decreasing. So therefore we will be designing it for these kind of a circuit. So now I'll go to simulate, I'll run. So over here this I will get to output. Now this is the output frequency. Now go to plot settings, change the manual limits, and make sure that you are using a logarithmic scale, which will clearly depict our frequency response. So as I mentioned earlier, 0 dB over here, this is my FA, and this will be my FB, the highest peak. And then again I just wanted to check about where does the FB where does it gets back to 0 dB. So it goes to 100 kilohertz. So this is how the frequency response of a differentiator takes place. So now if we want to do a transient analysis of the same, then we will be going to over here sine wave, and make sure simulate edit again simulation command, and make sure we use transient. Over here we have used 1k, so let me take over here as 10 milliseconds as stop time. So now we will be doing a transient analysis. So I will go to run, I will run the code, I will be giving input, and here I go, this is my output. So this is the input, and as we know, the input of a differentiator, if it is a sine wave, the output is always a cosine wave. So this is the frequency response of a differentiator and a transient analysis of a differentiator. Thank you so much.